This segment's all about big fish, crushing the bait, boat side. Enjoy.
Have you ever heard anybody tell you that?
What?
Quit figure eighting? It doesn't
No.
work? Can't remember who the hell it was that said that to me.
Oh.
Quit wasting your time. I'm like, what?
I'm a firm believer in the last 2 years that after dark I want to do 2 figure eights after dark.
I don't know. I wonder if they're not moving. You know what I mean?
If they're on the move.
Yeah. Hit. Come on, girl. You ready, Billy? She's not. The bait came out of the mouth right as you got it in the bag. Oh my God.
Reach with the net.
Unbelievable. You know, I barely had that thing hooked. I just kept pressure on it because I knew that you were coming right away. You had just mentioned like 2 seconds ago, I can't believe that fish didn't eat. And it ate. Well,
Oh, nice.
and she is squirrely as all get out. Nice fish though.
Beautiful fish. Clean fish.
Yeah, she is really clean. Way cool. Let's get her back in the water before she hurts herself or me, and see if we can't go find one more. It's been a great evening after a long day of hard work. She's already tensing up. Fish ate about 5 feet away from the boat. Didn't have a very good hook set, but we got the job done. Billy was quick on the bag. Came unpinned as soon as it went in the bag.
Beautiful fish.
And she's gone. They'll even have to salt them.
Öka, ännu mer.
Should take off. It took off, didn't it?
It was very, very big.
Was it?
Yeah.
Kom efter han.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. That's a big fish. Heads up. You ready? Pull it back. Yeah. Good job, man. Good job.
That was my fish.
Nice fish. Really nice fish. Wow. Show the camera. Look at that fish. Super, super nice and girthy. Great, nice fish. All right, let's put her forward and let her go. Can she hold herself upright? Kind of let go.
She's upright, yes.
Okay, give her a push forward and let her go. This is his 8th fish. His personal best was 49. This one we just measured is 52 inches. That's a big fish there, guys.
This is magical, thank you. Oh, so nice. Day of my life.
There's fish, and it's hooked. Barely. Yeah, didn't you make it run?
I'm gonna lift it up. It's in the bag. Good job, Karen. Good job. Well, a little different hit than last night, I can tell you that much.
Non-existent hit.
That's awesome. Good job. Well, we broke the ice. We finally got one in the bag.
I don't have a headlamp, Scotty.
It was starting to become questionable here, but we got on one, so that's the main thing. There you go. Get in here.
Coming.
Slow rolling double cowgirls after dark. Pays off. Really nice fish, Carrie.
Thank you.
Kiss it.
No.
Ready? Nice fish, Carrie. See you later, girl.
It looks like sounds like a rattle trap. There's one.
Oh yeah, nice fish, Jason. Nice fish. Come on, baby. Still there.
Yep.
Still there. Come on, eat it, eat it. Oh, she's hot. Got it?
Got her. Oh,
Good job, man. Good job. Way nice fish, too. Way nice. All right, I'm right behind you. Look at her, swing her head.
I don't think she's hooked that great.
I think she's okay. Full bait's in her mouth. All right. Come on, girl. Oh my God, she just does not want to cooperate. All right. Oh, it's a nice fish, dude.
That is.
Let's get her in the bag quick. Oh yeah. That's a giant, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Whew. I think you found the right color on this body of water.
Unbelievable.
Did you see that? She just went around. She went around, what, 3 times? 3 times. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Good job. Really good job.
You could see that on the 8 when I'd go down real deep by the boat. She would be kind of lazy. And then as soon as I sped it up, just below the surface on that outside turn, that's when she would lunge at it. She did it 3 times, and then finally on the 3rd time she got it. That's definitely a triggering on the 8 is just change your depths from deep to shallow, and that's when they'll eat it.
She's got some deformities on her
fast.
eye and then her head over here. Take a look at this. If you can see, she's got a really weird hook bill there. It's like ripped and pretty sore up by underneath her eye.
Oh, yeah, that one's definitely bigger than the last one.
It's a very, very girthy fish. Jason's got a really nice fish here.
Oh, that's a giant.
You want to measure it quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, just right at 52. Really nice fish, dude.
Grab that thing.
Super, super nice.
That's a giant.
Really girthy, too. Like I said, it's 2nd day of September, and wow.
You can
Thick
see that,
fish, dude.
that deformed gill plate there. That's weird. Wow, what a nice fish. Well, let's get her back in. Oh, that's way cool.
Girthy girl for having a goofy lip.
Yeah. She eats well. Wow.
Wow, pretty fish though. Look at how dark on the top, nice spotted on the side.
That is a nice fish. Very powerful.
Way cool hit too.
Yeah.
Boat side stuff, so much fun. Get to see the whole thing.
Oh, she's got some life in her. Look at this. Look how thick her tail is. Wow.
Super, super nice. She's down. There's one behind you. One behind you.
I see it.
Coming hard. Billy. That's awesome. Did you see that? That's a decent fish too.
That's a big fish.
Good job, man. Way, way cool. He had his bait hung up and he's just burning it in. I go, hey, we're slow rolling here, Billy. What are you doing? And this fish was behind his bait. I seen it right away. She smoked it. That is awesome. Way, way awesome. How we doing?
We're good. She's
She went down deep on you.
you don't even know, she's sounding.
That's awesome. Oh, what a crazy, crazy ordeal that
Try and
was.
get her.
Oh, wow. There she is. She's going back down. Not pleased at all.
No.
Let's see if you can't get her hooked over back here. Nope, not yet, huh? Nice fish though, man. Come on, girl. Come on back to the bag. There you go. Way cool.
Yeah.
Way cool.
That is funny.
Oh, wow.
Look at me, just soaked from when she took it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
This is a nice fish. That was
what a
so
really
cool.
nice fish.
We've been slow rolling, like I said, and deep weeds. And Billy foul hooked his blades on his leader, and he just started burning it in to get it in quick to make another cast. And all of a sudden, I seen that fish coming behind it, and she wanted it bad.
She wanted it.
And she got it.
So feisty yet.
Way nice fish, Bill. Super nice. Oh,
There she is. What a pretty fish.
very clean too,
Probably a fish just fresh out of deep water, I would guess.
for sure.
Well, let's get her back in and let her eat more Cisco's.
Exactly. Goes.
King of the mountain right there, man. One of them.
Oh, congrats, man.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats. Super,
Thank you.
super nice fish.
Oh,
She's getting her bearings and looks like she's powering down. So,
that fish was fired up.
way cool.
I'm wondering if we're gonna have to change up some stuff a little bit. I hope not.
I hope we don't have to go to burning, but
Yep.
you know, you got to do what you got to do. And
I'll take fish like that any day of the week. If we have to burn, we have to burn.
exactly.